Hi, I'm Theo. I often get questions how the hinge on my 3D models work. So, here I have one of my canine head bases printed in puppet size. That's exactly the same head base that I would use for a fursuit head, just scaled differently, a little bit smaller. There is already a hole where the hinge will be. The reason that I do not print a peg or something in here is that PLA on PLA doesn't move that frictionless. I like the hinge to be very easy to operate. You can see that on this head here. It doesn't take any force to open or close it, and I want it exactly like that in my fursuit hats. So how do I achieve it? I make some pegs with Polymorph, or in this case Blackmorph. That's a material that softens up at 62 degrees Celsius. All you have to do is heat it, and while it's hot you can sculpt it with your hands. Do not let it get too hot, otherwise it can get sticky and then you can burn yourself, so only heat it up to 62 degrees Celsius. To heat it up you can use hot water or a hot air gun. I use this gun here because it has low temperature settings that goes around 70 degrees Celsius, so I will not let pellets heat up too much. As soon as I see that they melt, I'm gonna remove them from the hot air. You can see that these pellets change color a bit. Well, it's easier to see with the white pellets, they turn transparent. I can easily sculpt it with my hands. It's not too hot. If I do not want to use too much material, I use something for the middle of the peg that can be removed, like this piece of aluminum. When it comes into contact with the metal, it cools down rapidly, so there is a point when it's absolutely non-sticky. I could now insert it in here, but it would not create a bond with the plastic material. So I want to heat it up again a little bit. As soon as it gets shiny like this, it's melted again, and I can insert it. It's not completely cooled down yet. You can easily change the shape, and so I'll try if it will fit or if I have to make it a little bit smaller. I like to keep the hole in the middle because I can use that to secure a rope or something through it. Okay, one side done. Okay, let's do the second side. What I really like about this material is that you can always reheat it and reuse it. Okay, let's insert both sides and try it out. I print these masks always without support material, so there is a little droplet right on the upper edge of each hole. You can remove that if you want to. Yeah, if it's not smooth enough, you can always reheat it.